Compute each of 62 through 76. Assume the values of the variables are restricted so that the expressions are defined. This is 3, choose 0. Now there are two ways of thinking about this to get the final answer here. The first way we can think about this is if we have 3 objects, and we ask ourselves, how many different ways can we choose 0 of these 3 objects? And the answer is 1. There's one way we can choose 0 objects from 3 objects. But we can also use the formula for the combination to evaluate this number as well. The formula is n factorial, which is 3 factorial, all over k factorial, which is 0 factorial, times n minus k, which is 3 minus 0 factorial, which gives us 6 divided by 1 times 6. Keep in mind that 0 factorial is 1, so this would be 1 times 6, which is 6, and 6 divided by 6 is 1. Thanks, everyone, and I'll see you in the next video.